Hi guys, myself Manoj.M. In this video, we are going to solve this problem. Find the rank of the following matrices using elementary row transformations. A is equal to 2 minus 1 minus 3 minus 1 1 2 3 minus 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 minus 1. Yeah guys, let's write the given question. A is equal to 2 minus 1 minus 3 minus 1 1 2 3 minus 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 minus 1. Yeah guys, we know that in the place of 2 it should become 1. For that I am going to replace R2 with R1 and R1 with R2 guys. Okay, then write A is equal to write R2 in the place of R1 1 2 3 minus 1, then 2 minus 1 minus 3 minus 1, then 1 0 1 1, then 0 1 1 minus 1. Yeah guys. Yeah guys, and then we need to make this 2 as 0 and 1 as 0. For that A is equal to 1 2 3 minus 1. Let this is R1, and then for the R2 we need to do the operation. R2 is equal to, for that it need to become 0, we need to subtract it by minus 2, right? In the place of 1 it should be minus 2. For that simply write here as R2 minus 2 R1. Okay guys, we know that 2 minus 2 is 0. Let us use calculator for this. Clear it. Minus 1 minus, open the bracket, 2 into 2. Okay, and then close the bracket. The answer is minus 5, right? Minus 5 here. Okay, and then it is, open the calculator, then clear it. Minus 3 minus 2 into 3. Okay, the answer came here as minus 9, right? Minus 9 here. Okay, and then minus 1 minus 2 into minus 1. Okay, then clear it. Okay, minus 1 minus, open bracket, 2 into minus 1. Okay, then close the brackets. The answer came as 1. Write 1 here. Okay, and then for this one to become 0, simply R3 is equal to R3 minus R1. Okay, R3 is equal to R3 minus R1. 1 minus 1, 0. 0 minus 2, minus 2. Okay, 1 minus 3 minus 2. Okay, and then 1 minus of minus 1, 1 plus 1, 2. Okay, and then write R4 as it is. Okay, R4 0 1 1 minus 1. Okay, and then shift the fourth row to the second row and second row to the fourth row. We know that the diagonal element should be 1. For that, if we move this to here, it will become 1. So that we are doing that operation. Okay, that means replace R2 with R4 and R4 with R2. Okay, yeah, and let's write A is equal to 1 2 3 minus 1 0 1 1 minus 1 0 minus 2 minus 2 2 0 minus 5 minus 9, and then 1. Okay, then close the bracket, and then we know that we need to make this minus 2 as 0 and then minus 5 as 0. For that, let's write A is equal to first row as it is 1, 2, 3, minus 1, let it would be R1 and then 0, 1, 1, minus 1. This is R2 and then R3 is equal to, we need to make this as 0. Okay, for that simple, this is minus 2. If it become plus 2, then it would be 0, right? Simply write R3 plus 2R2. Okay, guys. Yeah, we know that this is 0, minus 2 plus 2, 0, and then minus 2 plus 2, 0, and then 2 plus 2 into minus 1,
2 into minus 1 is minus 2.
2 minus 2 is 0, right? 0. Here, okay, and then for this R4 is equal to, we need to make this minus 5 as 0 by doing operation with R2. For that, R4 plus 5 R2. Okay, yeah. 0 minus 5 plus 5 0. Okay. Yeah, let's use calci for it. Open the calculator. Clear it. Minus 9 plus open bracket 5 into 1. Okay, close the bracket. It came as minus 4, right? Minus 4 here. And then open the calculator. Clear it. 1 plus open bracket 5 into open bracket minus 1. Close it. Equals to minus 4, right? Minus 4 here, okay. And then move this third row to the fourth row and fourth row to the third row. R3 replace with R4 and R4 replace with R3, okay, yeah. Then A is equal to 1, 2, 3, minus 1, 0, 1, 1, minus 1, 0, 0, minus 4, and then 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay. Yeah. Here we can write the rank of the matrix as 3 because make this minus 4 as plus 1 by doing the mathematical operation. For that we know that minus 4 by minus 4 that will become plus 1. Yeah. Divide R3 by minus 4. That's it. Okay. Yeah, let us write A is equal to 1, 2, 3, minus 1, 0, 1, 1, minus 1. Okay, guys. Yeah. This is R1, this is R2, and for that we know that we need to make minus 4 as 1. For that, R3 is equal to R3 divided by minus 4. Okay, 0, 0, minus 4 by minus 4 plus 1 and minus 4 by minus 4 plus 1. Okay, and then this would be 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, guys, yeah. Here we know that the number of non-zero rows is this one R1, R2 and R3. Let's write this as R4 here, okay. Now the number of non-zero rows are R1, R2 and R3. That is, there are 3 number of non-zero rows, hence we can write it as the rank of the matrix A is equal to 3. Okay guys, I hope this video helped you to understand the concept. I hope you understand how to find the rank of the matrix. If you have any doubt, you can comment in the comment section. I hope this video helped you. If you didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching, guys.